We'll guide you through how to connect and pair AirPods with no button. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you've gone and got yourself a new pair of AirPods, and you found that the new ones don't have the button. So traditionally, you would have gone and pressed and held the button on the back, and the light on the front would start glowing white, indicating they're in pairing mode. And then what you could do is you could go onto your computer or perhaps a Android, or even you can go onto an iPhone in the Bluetooth settings, and you'd then be able to go and connect. But you're not sure on how you can do this without the button. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure it's an entire guide and don't go and skip anything, because we're going to guide you through how it's done. So what you want to do is you want to go and open up the case, and you should go and see the green light. This indicates they've got power, and make sure both AirPods are in the case like so. And so to go and do this, we need to go and do a specific tap on the AirPods. So I'm going to go and show you that they're then going to go and appear on an Android, and I'll show you on an iPhone as well. Usually when you just open the case up, they should go and appear as you can see, but sometimes you may want to go and do the manual connection in the Bluetooth. So what you want to do is just go and have the lid closed and both in there, open it up, and when you see the green light, go and tap on it twice, just like I did there. It will start glowing white and you'll hear a little sort of ding sound. Now I'll go and open up my Bluetooth settings. I'll do this on the Android here. Go and wait for it to load. We'll come into connections, and then we'll come into Bluetooth. Go and wait, and shortly they should go and appear in available devices. Just wait, and as you can see, there they are. You can then tap. They say pairing. I'll press pair, and you've now successfully paired. So that's how you can go and connect them, and also they would go and appear in the iPhone Bluetooth as well. Just to show you as well, they go and appear in iPhone Bluetooth as well, and we can go and connect to them. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more guides like this.